Hello everyone, I was pretending to be a pillow. Berserk Bunch here. And today we got a package. So let's get opening. I'll just dunk it all out. I wonder what it could be. Are they all gone? They are all gone. Okay. Ooh, fidgets! It's a fidget pack. So let's get started. First is a puppet. This is a puppet. I'll pop it twice and then we'll get to the next fidget. Toy. Okay. Last time it'll be popped. I'm gonna slate it down. It's a cool heart. Pink, magenta, and red. Okay. Next fidget. Shouldn't have done that. Next fidget. I have 6 more of these. No, 4 more of these. I gave one to my friend Ruby. She came around yesterday. Monkey Noodles. I gave a blue one to Ruby. Okay, next is marble mesh. Green, purple, yellow, and blue, orange. Green, purple, yellow, and orange, not blue. Okay, next is a fidget cube. Oh, it's already on your battery.
Yeah? Coming!
Next is a chewy ring. A wacky track. This is almost it, sadly. Wait, one of them is still in there. Two of them, actually. Where did it go? Oh, DIY simple import. Oh, it's there. This is a bracelet that I ripped to turn into a monkey noodle. Infinity cube. I can make the ultimate shape with these. Next is a fidget pad. Next is two of these. Okay, I'll have to end this. I'll have to do this quickly.
No, end it now.
And finally, a simple dimple. Okay, bye.